As summer heats up, keeping homes cool in Fairdale, Kentucky is crucial. Louisville HVAC Pro's recent expansion brings enhanced AC repair services to the community. Their commitment to fast, reliable solutions tackles growing cooling needs effectively. A well-functioning AC system is vital for indoor comfort, air quality, and health protection in hot months. Even top systems can face issues. Louisville HVAC Pro's expert repair service is ready to respond to HVAC issues. The company's expanded services offer comprehensive diagnostics, efficient repairs, and faster response times. As summer temperatures soar, ensuring home comfort is crucial. Click the link in the description to find out more.